sunny hills and skies so blue. Yoshi and Toad know just what to do. With courage high and spirits free, they journey far as friends should be. Across the worlds near and far, they chase the light, they chase the star. Through fire, ice, and skies above, Yoshi and Toad in friendship and love. From desert sands to forest green, together they've faced all they've seen. With Yoshi's speed and Toad's quick wit, no world too tough, they'll never quit. Across the worlds near and far, they chase the light, they chase the star. Through fire, ice, and skies above, Yoshi and Toad in friendship and love. Across, oh, 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 in friendship and love. Across, oh, 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 in friendship and love. Every leap, every run, Yoshi and Toad make it fun. With every step, with every stride, they stand together side by side. So here's to worlds yet unexplored, with friendship as their true reward. No mountain tall, no river wide, will keep them from the other side. Across the worlds near and far, they chase the light, they chase the star. Through fire, ice, and skies above, Yoshi and Toad in friendship and love. Across, oh, 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 in friendship and love. Across, oh, 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 in friendship and love. Through every land and every quest, side by side they're at their best. In Yoshi's eyes, in Toad's bright cheer, their bond of friendship conquers fear.